Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on thought leadership. Before we proceed any further, please do note that we publish 3 videos daily on YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's start with the definition of thought leadership. Cognitive influence and creative or evolving thinking are called thought leadership. Thought leadership emphasizes on establishing the company as a specialist in a field through its content rather than focusing on marketable content. Answering the target audience's questions is the main aim of thought leadership. Consumers, designers, sales executives, product managers, senior executives, customer service representatives, etc. can all be thought leadership sources. Forming clear-cut opinions and being completely aware of a subject takes time and does not happen rapidly. Moving on to who is a thought leader. A person who can provide specific guidance, impact people, and motivate creativity according to his or her point of view, and an expertise in an industry is an influencer or thought leader. They impact and motivate individuals with creative ideas, help them execute ideas, guide their succeeds, and are trusted by them. Although a challenge, many executives and leaders aim to be thought leaders. In addition to contributing to discussions about today's events, they are also capable of foreseeing tomorrow's happenings. They foresee the potential trends for the future and use that intuition to gain tangible business outcomes. In 1994, an American economist and the editor-in-chief of Strategy and Business magazine, Joel Kurtzman said, "A thought leader is recognized by peers, customers, and industry experts as someone who deeply understands the business they are in, the needs of their customers, and broader marketplace in which they operate. They have distinctly original ideas, unique point of view, and new insights." With this, Joel Kurtzman coined the term in the context of a new era. Moving on, how to become a thought leader. First, have clear-cut perspectives. Second, gain reliability from the audience. Third, get support from your audience. Fourth, constantly study about the industry. Next, take other people's opinion into consideration. Specialize in your official position. Be constantly aware and involved in your official position. Next, occasionally retrieve from your business plans. And finally, get through to a new following of people. Moving on to levels of thought leadership. First, natural thought leadership. Natural thought leaders have an inborn ability to be reflective, are capable of thinking, and may be philosophical in some cases. Although untrained in leadership style, its application is mainly seen at work, in personal lives, on social levels, or in a community. Next, expressive thought leadership. Expressive thought leaders either seek to or widen their default expert position. They try to make themselves better and are more powerful leaders of authority. They engage in their ambition by publishing podcasts, magazines, videos, white papers, books, websites, etc. They strive to share their perceptions with interested people and speak at public conferences, events, or webinars. Next, active thought leadership. These thought leaders are deliberately contemplative and pursue their aim, perspective, and notions. They deliberately organize their communication with themselves and others through talking, reading, and writing. They learn a lot about themselves and improve personally. And finally, accelerative thought leadership. Expressive and act thought leadership is clubbed in accelerative thought leaders. Accelerative thought leadership is stimulating both quantitative and for qualitative growth. The knowledge or acumen of required actions leads to a development in quantitative accomplishment and acclaim, which is qualitative in nature. Next, let's look at thought leadership examples. First, Marshall Goldsmith. World's most renowned thinker and executive coach, Marshall Goldsmith ranks first in the list of world's top thought leaders. He speaks about young leaders starting their leadership journey and methods to be influential leaders, particularly in times of crisis. Next in line, Neil Patel. Specializing in a specific position, Neil is a globally renowned internet marketer. Along with being a best-selling author listed by New York Times, 3 internet companies were also co-founded by him. Next, Seth Godin. Along with being a patron of contemporary marketing, Seth has also authored 17 books. He is an excellent motivator who positively contributes to the world. Next, Simon Sinek. Simon's TED Talk, 3 Golden Circles, gave him recognition. He challenges people's perspectives about organizational structure and leadership constantly. He also clarifies misunderstandings about millennials regularly. Next, Tony Robbins. The concept of thought leaders was modernized by Tony. A lot of people are impacted, encouraged, and stimulated by his programs and books. According to him, if you do what you've always done, you will get what you have always gotten. Next, John Gordon. John has written 17 books, latest one being The Power of Positive Leadership. He motivates people daily, and as stated by him, great leaders see greatness in others. Next, Oprah Winfrey. From being a girl facing poverty in rural Mississippi, Oprah went to become the only black multi-billionaire in North America. She continues to positively influence people's lives outside traditional methods of success and has made it possible for people's story to be told and heard. Next, Evan Balin. Evan Balin founded USA's biggest SEO company, First Page Sage. He's an entrepreneur, an international best-selling author, and a Google expert. Next, Mari Smith. She is a social media marketing speaker, webcast host, author, and thought leader. She's also known as the Queen of Facebook. Next, Ross Simons. Ross Simons is the founder of the e-commerce store Hustle and Grind for entrepreneurs, along with Foundation Marketing Agency. He is a digital marketing strategist, author, and a keynote speaker. And finally, Goldie Chan. Called the Oprah of LinkedIn by Huffington Post, Goldie Chan is a social strategist, LinkedIn video creator, and critically acclaimed keynote speaker. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on thought leadership. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel where you'll witness 3 new videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.